Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload videos on TikTok with HD quality. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply make sure that you have an updated version of TikTok. So you have to open App Store or Play Store, and then you have to check that you have an updated version or not. So you can see here I have updated version because it's showing here open. If it's showing here update, then you have to update your TikTok and then go back, and then you have to open settings and you have to tap on app management, app settings. Here you have to search for TikTok and you have to clear cache or clear storage because it's main reason to upload videos with HD qualities on TikTok. So you have to clear cache and clear storage, go back, and then what you have to do is just simply open TikTok, then tap on plus icon, then try to record a video, then tap on next, and you can see here it's not showing here any HD type option. I'm tapping on more options, so you can see here it's not showing here. So what you have to do is just simply take a screenshot from here, and then you have to make a request to TikTok team. And the main reason is that why you want to be able to upload videos with HD qualities on TikTok. The reason is that you have to tap on setting up privacy. Here is the reason, data saver. Here's the reason. So you can see guys from here you can see reduce your data consumption when using cellular data. Videos may be at lower resolution or take longer to load. So this toggle is off, so you have to turn it off. If this toggle is on, you can read from here, reduce your data consumption when using cellular data. Videos may be at lower consumption. So you have to turn the toggle off for this. After this you will be able to upload videos with HD qualities on TikTok. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.